Gantimpala ng Kausayan Rizaliano recognizes exemplary individuals who have significantly contributed to progress in their fields, inspiring others through their outstanding achievements and leadership. Presenting the awardees for Gantimpala ng Kausayan Rizaliano. Attorney Cecilio Joneda Duca.
Let us welcome the distinguished awardees of Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano. Attorney Cecilio Duca, EDD. He contributed much on the innovation and communization of social sciences and legal instruction in the country, paving amongst the lay people way for better, who has already authored 12 books and authored 3 books in the field of labor law, constitutional law, public international law, education, history, philosophy, and other disciplines. Once again, Attorney Cecilio Duca, EDD.
Once again, the distinguished awardees of Gantimpala ng Kahusayan Rizaliano.